Both candidates for 181st District Court judge say their campaign signs have been disappearing.
Thanks for joining us. At the center of this is a video circulating on social media, and it's causing a stir. KAMR Local 4's Kaylee Green joins us now live in studio with more.
That story topping our news tonight from your local election headquarters. Kaylee?
Andy, Jackie, earlier today, incumbent Judge Tatiana Frausto's campaign's Facebook page posted what looks like security camera footage. The video shows someone in a pickup with a sign for her opponent, Todd Hatter, on the side. The video shows that person removing her campaign sign and tossing it in the dumpster. We don't have permission from the owner of the video to show it to you here. Frausto tells me this video is just one instance of her signs disappearing, but there's another side to this story.
Hatter tells me the business gave him permission to put his signs up where the video was taken, and the business gave him permission, he claims, to remove his opponent's campaign signs. He has a letter he says proves they gave him that permission. Frausto says she also received a letter from that same business saying she could remove her opponent's campaign signs.
Were you the one that removed Judge Frausto's sign?
The signs were removed by Hatter campaign, absolutely. I've seen some post about missing signs all over town. Well, I'm missing signs too. Who knows? Panhandle win? Theft? I don't know. It could be anything.
Even with being told you have permission to take your candidate's, another candidate's sign down, I would never do something like that. There's enough space for all of us to have our signs there and for voters in the community to decide who they're going to cast their vote for.
Here's why both candidates say they should be elected.
The office of the judiciary we are held to a high standard. I conduct myself with honesty, with integrity. I want to be a good representation for the members of this community.
We want transparency. We want to know what happened in our cases. My promise to the voters, there'll be no politics. There'll be no favors. Decisions that flow will not be impacted by political connections, race, or money.
We reached out to the business where that footage was taken to ask what permission they granted and to whom. They said no comment. Live in studio, Kaylee Green, KMR Local 4 News. Jackie and Andy.
Kaylee, thank you. Frausto and Hatter are the only two candidates on the ballot for this position in the Republican primary.
Early voting is underway right now. Election Day is happening Tuesday, March 1st.